Some of the most common obstacles that we run into in probate come from really either a lack of planning or a lack of record keeping. Those problems are that we have to figure out who the beneficiaries are and where they're located when we don't have a will. It can also be that we don't know what assets the decedent had. It's really difficult to be able to probate an estate when you don't know what the assets are. Recently had a case where dad was in California, daughter had no idea what he had, didn't even know where his bank accounts were. Became really difficult to probate the estate because we just simply didn't know what he had. An interested party, meaning someone that has an interest or could gain some sort of benefit from the estate, has the ability to challenge the will in the probate process. And what that usually looks like is someone is saying that the deceased person was coerced into signing an update or a change to their will by someone who is now going to receive most of the benefit from that estate. And in order to prove that, they would need to prove that there was some sort of coercion, that the person was incapacitated and unable to make decisions for themselves. If the estate is insolvent, that may mean that beneficiaries receive nothing. It doesn't mean that the beneficiaries will owe anything to creditors or anything like that, but there will be a process where there's kind of a hierarchy of claims. There are administrative claims for the estate that will be paid before anything gets distributed to beneficiaries. So if you find yourself in a situation where there's an insolvent estate, where there aren't enough assets to pay all of the creditors, there's a good likelihood that the beneficiaries won't receive anything from the estate. If you are dealing with an executor who's uncooperative or the attorney for the executor has been uncooperative, you may have to file something with the court in order to be sure that the will is probated properly and effectively pursuant to the decedent's wishes. If you'd like to talk about how to overcome some of the common probate problems that we see, please give us a call at Hoelzle Law.